Hi, welcome to this video. This is going to be introduction to augmented for Arkansas bears specifically. So if you're watching it, fine. All right, here we go. So one of the documents that I provided is what I use as a cheat sheet, right? Or what I call a cheat sheet. And all it is a single page breakdown of everything that is on the plot. And this is on the Canvas site, so it should be there for everybody to look at. And so it's broken down by lighting system, right? So I have this warm front lighting system, and I have 13 areas. There are 5 areas across the downstage. There are 4 areas at mid stage, and 3 areas upstage, right? So each one of these numbers corresponds to a channel on the light board. And this is just kind of a little map of the stage. That little squiggly line back there is our tree. You guys should be totally familiar of looking at this theater plan now forever about the way this theater is laid out and the way the set is laid out. So this is just warm front. Now, and I'll show it to you when I get there. This is a group convention. If I want to turn all of these channels on all at the same time and all at the same intensity, instead of typing 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, or 1 through 30, I could just say group 1. It's 2 keystrokes. Group 1 full enter, and I'll show you that when we get into the console. But these little G's correspond to groups. Okay. So then there is a cool system, a cool front light system that has the same areas, but it does not have this upstage area. I trimmed that out of the plot. There wasn't room for it to draw it, so I cut it, right? So you have 9 of these, 5 across and then 4 across in a cool color. Okay, as we move to the other side, I try and put my important visibility lights up at the top, right? As we move to the next side, this one's a little larger for clarity, and this is a high side, and I'll show you some of this stuff when we get into it. But to light up the downstage left area, it's going to be channel 31 and 34. At center, it's going to be 32 and 35. This side is going to be 33 and 36. Every designer I've ever met has a different way of doing their high sides. So you just got stuck with my numbering convention. Forgive me. The downstage group is 31 through 36 is group 31. The apron. The downstage is 41 through 46 is group 41. Note that the group number corresponds to the lowest channel number. So 51 through 56 is group 51. 61 through 66 is group 61. Everything, all of them coming from this direction is group 4. All of them coming from the other direction is group 5. And then group 3 is everything, right? Now, as I move on down the list here, we'll take a look at a little more. I have some shins, right, which is it's a shin high. It's about kneecap high, and they're on some booms. I have a head high. They're about 9 feet off the ground and focused across the stage. I have a low gobo, which is really, it's ankle high. It's right down on the ground. And then I have all of the backlights. Note that the backlights are numbered just like our other areas, 1 through, 71 through 75, 76 through 79, but there is no 81. If I tried to put a backlight right here, it would just go all over the tree, and that just isn't working out for me, right? So we only have 82 and 83, and I'll show you how that works. There are 3 gobo washes from the top. There is a yellow, a lavender, and a pink, right? And then there is the cyc lights, and the cyc lights just are pitiful. They don't work very well at all. So, but I have an alternative to that, and that's the cyc front right here that might help us. And some people will be excited about it. And then there are 3 moving lights. There's one that's front of house, and then there are there's the left and the right one. These are focus palettes, and I'll be able to talk to you a little bit about what those are. And then there are 4 lights that are focused down on the treetop that are also decidedly underwhelming. This would look better in person, but it's not bad. So this is every channel that's in this little light plot, and it's just listed here in this little graphical representation so that you can print off a page and have it with you, and you can program faster. This is the I could not light shows without this document. If there's one piece of paper I need besides the script, it's this. So that is the cheat sheet. I was going to do more, but it took a while, so I am going to go ahead and just start another video.